Key Stage 3, welcome to this week's assembly. This week's Positive Learner Awards, Year 7. The whole of 7 AHHG for excellent teamwork and working out the oldest to the youngest. Being respectful to each other in their breakout rooms, and also helping to guide Miss Gilbert around the campus as she did a virtual tour. Students explained what certain buildings were to those who had never visited. Fantastic communication skills as a whole class. Well done. An academic shout out for 7 AHHD. They did a great job in making their own slideshows about specialised cells. 4 individual awards for brilliant teamwork and collaboration in humanities, excellent reading of important scenes in Macbeth, English, for fearlessly performing a Shakespeare scene to the English class within their group, for great presentation of information on the witches of Macbeth, for reading through important Shakespeare scenes with great dramatic flair, for working well under pressure to correct a mistake that the group had made in English class. Remember, we only learn through our mistakes. For participating excellently in a new English class and contributing a strong understanding of Shakespearean context. In science, for great effort. In Arabic, for brilliant participation and for being a great helper during computing. Well done, Year 7. Year 8. Fabulous classwork effort. Excellent science practical investigations of the pinhole camera. For creating a well-researched guide how to find a witch as part of a Macbeth study in English. For showing initiative in the use of a citation to support a research task in English. Excellent skills of analysis and research in history. Superb drama work submitted. And great work for Spanish, doing more than they were expected to do, going beyond. Great news, Year 8. Year 9, in English, for excellent contribution to class discussion on events covered in the novel in a thoughtful and insightful way. And also Year 9 Spanish students for having a brilliant result in the Kahoots today. Well done, Year 9. I really hope you're enjoying Spanish, and that goes for the Year 7 Spanish and Year 8 students. Thank you, Miss Maita, for adding that to our curriculum. Hi. Well done for all those Positive Learner Awards for behaviour and for academics. Getting praise right now is so important for everything we do. It helps keep us motivated. Another thing that motivated me was watching Amanda Gorman's speech for President Biden's inauguration. What a brilliant, clever, articulate, inspirational, confident young lady. Very motivating, inspiring us to be the best that we can be. So, the news for this week, we've had Year 9s in and it's been really lovely to see them. And also I have an announcement for Year 9. Next Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. we are going to do a live virtual presentation for the next year's IGCSE options. So look out for that letter. As you know, you need to do the compulsory subjects, the 3 sciences, the 2 English and the mathematics. And then you have a choice of either 3 or 4 options. And those options are going to be presented so you can see what they're about and how they may benefit you. And so you need to turn up for that with your parents, and so you can hear the teachers deliver their subjects. Then the next day after that, Mrs. Homsey is going to release a survey where you need to choose your 3 or 4 options. And then what Mrs. Homsey will do with that is she will then create the option blocks. What that means is, if you have chosen 2 subjects in the same block, you need to choose one of them, and then you'll have to go to your maybe your fourth or your fifth choice. So when you get your survey, it's important that you choose the options that suit you the best. And so it's very important that you turn up and listen to the presentation. Thank you.
Me and Sarah are going on a walk today, and we're going to show you all the views we witnessed. This is a great place to climb on. Awesome. So now, Sarah's going to do one of the easiest kicks we have ever learned in Taekwondo. The turn kick. Great. Now, our Shamina is going to demonstrate the push kick. Awesome. Now, Sarah's going to do a two-part move in Pomsi 3. There we go.
Yeah, so Aaron is basically going to be doing a double jump turn kick on the boxing bag.
Accomplishment. So now, Sarah's going to demonstrate the side kick.
Yes, indeed I am. Now, Arashmina will show us the latest kick she's learned, which is the back kick. She's going to be demonstrating it on this boxing bag.
Oh yeah.
We're cool. Now, we will be punching each other and blocking each other with defenses in Taekwondo. 3, 2, 1.
Next, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now I will be punching Sarah. Next. Great. Okay, so I'm thinking for this, we should probably do the axe kick, maybe, or something more.
I'm gonna do something softer on this.
Oh, you got Sarah!
Sorry.
Thank you, Lottie. That is so weird.
I don't know why. I gave you one flower thing.
It's my turn now. What?
You just did the double jump turn kick.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, who are you calling a thief?
Oh. Now Avrishmina is going to be doing the box kick.
Sarah, not again! One! Couldn't. Thank you for watching our video. We are excited to send more videos to you guys so you guys can watch it later. Thank you.
We're going to be doing other videos and it will be coming soon next week. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye!
Yeah, it was wonderful because it's the first time in a while that I've got to see some of my friends, and I'm actually going out for the first time in a while as well. It's just nice to be here.
Well, coming into school was like, well, it's a lot different from virtual school, definitely. And it was Well, it was nice to meet some people again. People I haven't met in like nearly a year now. And it was just fun in general.
Was it scary?
No, I was fine with it.
It was really good. It was good to get out and see the boys and friends. It's good to socialize, but always keep social distance.
It was really fun to socialize with everyone else and just catch up on the latest stuff. Yeah, really enjoyed it.
It was good. I had fun. And yeah.
Great to see everyone. Really nice to see everybody for them to get the chance just to be together again. You know, it's been a long time, and I know that they've
2 meters, boys.
I know that they've missed socialising, and they've missed that really special part of being in secondary school, which is to be with each other and to, you know, build relationships and you know, just enjoy each other's company. So it's great that they've had the opportunity. They may have done a few tests, but I think they enjoyed it. It was great to see.
Welcome everyone to News Round. I'm your host, Indy French, with the news for this week. Let's get started right away. Number 1, US news. A new president has arrived in the US, Joe Biden. Also, a new vice president has come too, becoming the first ever woman and first ever African American and Asian American to become vice president. Her name is Kamala Harris. Well done. Number 2, amazing news. A man in Hong Kong decides to achieve something amazing, to climb up the Hong Kong skyscraper in a wheelchair. Using a rope system on the outside the tower, Lai Chi pulls himself up 250 meters to victory. Great job, Lai. Sad news. Scientists find pollution in the Arctic. Billions of microplastics are found throughout the Arctic and its entire ocean. We need to change our ways today. Let's stop polluting and save the world. Well, that's all for the news round for this week. See you next time on News Round.